Okay, so what are we really talking about? I'm trying out a couple of Nigerian snacks and I'll be rating them based on my preference. Now, I have just resumed eating food, like random snacks. I don't know which one to start with. These two look alike. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Let me go about it. Let me just start with this. This is what does it contain? Wheat flour, sugar, butter, vegetable milk, vegetable fat, milk powder, blah blah blah. Allergen caution contains wheat flour, soya, and milk powder. Okay, a good excuse you. Somebody is trying to smell what it is. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Let's see what the real thing. Oh, drinking. Okay, not bad. Just like chocolates, but change things down. You're not supposed to take chocolate. I can't do this one.